Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a paper bird beak. Okay, first you fold your paper like this, and you fold it and crease it really good, just like that. Then turn it around, fold it just like that. Fold it like just like this. Then you turn it around again, and you fold one of these flaps down toward, right, just like that. And same thing right here. And then you flip it over, and you fold the rest of them, just like you did on the other side, but the rest of them, just like that. Pop it out, so it's just like this. And then you fold it the other way so there's no lines that you can't see that goes on the inside. And you have this, and you fold it really good. Try and crease it as much as you can, and unfold it. Fold it the other way. Same reason, just like this. Now, take your fingers. You can rip it just a teeny tiny bit, or you can take scissors and you can just cut it. It doesn't matter, and then you fold them just like that. See? Do the same thing on both sides, so it's like that. And now you open it so it's like that. Then you open it. There, that's how you make a paper bird beak. Thank you.